Warning: if you're hitting snooze every morning, you're destroying your success before your day even starts. But this simple routine will change your life forever. Step 1. Never hit snooze. Every time you do, you confuse your brain, making you groggy for hours. Instead, count 3, 2, 1 and get up immediately. Step 2. Before coffee, drink a full glass of icy cold water. It kickstarts your metabolism, hydrates your brain, and gives you an instant energy boost. Step 3. Stop checking your phone first thing in the morning. Social media floods your brain with dopamine, making you feel unmotivated. Instead, try meditation or journaling. Step 4. You don't need a full workout. Just 10 minutes of movement boosts serotonin, improves focus, and skyrockets your energy for the day. Step 5. The first hour of your day sets the tone for success. Read, plan your day, or tackle your most important task before distractions take over. Now it's your turn. Try this morning routine for just 1 week and tell me how it changed your life in the comments.